welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Volvo V40 1.6 diesel. We've got P040500 exhaust gas recirculation sensor, circuit low. So if you're getting this and the car's in lit mode and you're losing power, okay, we'll kind of guide you in this video of where it is. I'm not going to start stripping things, but I'll guide you to where it is on this engine and what to look out for. So if you're getting this, it is located right here. This is the EGR, guys, this component here. This whole black thing and all the way down. It's really easy. I would check the wiring first, make sure there's power going to it, make sure that this is all functioning, because what they tend to happen is in here, that there, sometimes the valve like clogs up and it doesn't. So you see this here, sometimes this doesn't work and it triggers this fault code, hence why we say clean it, or even do a good thorough drive, like keep the revs around 2,500-3,000 RPM and go for a 20-minute drive. Hopefully this should cure it. If not, then it's a case of just changing the component, guys. But our recommendation is, as always, make sure you get OEM original part, put the new one in, and then just reset adaptation, done, dusted. But in this video, like we say, it's just going to be a guidance. That fault code is to do with this here. Make sure that everything's connected, wire and power is going to it.